In this video, we will demonstrate how to clean and perform a boil-out procedure on your Vulcan ER Series fryer using computer controls and the built-in Clean Screen Plus filtration system. Steps for equipment with analog controls are different, so see the operation manual available on the Vulcan website for instructions for A control models. The boil-out procedure provides a deep cleaning of the tank and heating elements. We recommend performing the boil-out procedure every time you change the oil. It's important that you drain and discard the oil from the tank before starting the boil-out procedure. Before starting, wear proper protective equipment, including heat-resistant gloves, apron, and eye protection. The tank must be fully drained of all oil. For guidance, watch our video on how to discard oil of the Vulcan ER Series fryer with built-in Clean Screen Plus. With the drain valve closed, unscrew the silver cap from the black drain pipe. Locate the boil-out bypass drain extension clipped to the fryer door. Insert and thread the drain extension inside the black manifold pipe with the larger end of the threads going inside the manifold. Remove the basket rack with tongs for washing and wipe the tank of excess oil. Fill the fryer tank with water between the embossed min and max levels. Use a boil-out liquid or solid powder degreaser. Follow the instructions on the side of the package. Do not use chlorine or sulfate or sulfide cleaners. Press the power switch to the on position. If your fryer has computer or digital controls on the front panel, Auto Boil-Out mode will automatically detect water and bring the temperature down. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not bring water temperature to an overly active boil. Allow solution and water to remain in the tank for 15 to 20 minutes. Lift the heating elements, but be careful, they are hot. Then, using the tank brush, clean the tank's sides, bottom, and the heating elements. Turn off the fryer's power. Open the drain valve slowly to drain all water from the tank. Then, lower the heating elements back down with tongs. Close the drain valve and refill the tank with water. Add 1 cup of vinegar to neutralize alkaline left by the cleaner. Solution level must be between the min and max level on the fryer tank. Then turn the power on to allow the solution to heat up. Once heated, allow the solution to stand for 5 to 10 minutes, then turn off the fryer. Drain the tank again into the floor drain or a container. Use a pitcher or water hose to rinse the tank thoroughly with clear, hot water. All traces of cleaner must be removed. Dry the tank thoroughly. Using heat-resistant gloves, remove the boil-out bypass drain extension from the black manifold and clip it back onto the door. Replace and hand-tighten the threaded cap onto the black manifold. Return the cleaned basket rack to the tank and close the drain valve before adding oil to the tank of the fryer. Then, turn off the fryer. Pour new oil up to the minimum fill line. Do not overfill. Oil will expand as it heats. Turn the power switch to on. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan ER Series fryer. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.